Hi everyone, my name is Cristina Savian. I'm one of the technical specialists for North Europe at Autodesk. I often get asked how to use Ordnance Survey Open Data in InfraWorks 360, and what I would like to show you in this video is exactly how to do that. First of all, we need to get some data, so we need to go into the Ordnance Survey Open Data website and order some data. Ordnance Survey makes available a long list of data sets for anyone who would like to use that completely free of charge. It's very important to know which area, which tile of the national grid you are actually looking to download. So the way to do that is you can go and use the DWG that I made available for this video and for this blog post. I made available this BNG DWG dataset, and which is connected to some shape files with the OSGB grids, okay, from 5 kilometers, 50 kilometers, 25, 110. So every national grid in tile is available for you to use that. So in order to understand which area of the national grid we want to use, it's very important that we turn on the geo map. We use the geo map command to turn on the aerial photographs. Geo Bing maps are available in all our Autodesk products, so all AutoCAD, AutoCAD Map 3D, and Civil 3D, which is what I'm using for today's video, have access to free Bing maps. So all you have to do is go and select the area that you would like to download, and then you can use the reference of the Ordnance Survey national grid to understand which tile you are looking for. And you can see from here, we are looking for the SJ tile, and exactly we'll see for the tiles 41 and 51. So all we have to do now is go on the website and download the SJ tile from OS Open Local Area. And also what we can do, we can download some of the other free data sets. For example, in this case, I'm downloading OS Open Roads. And in terms of terrain, I will download OS Terrain 50 as ASCII grid GML. Okay. Then all I have to do is just simply process the order by inputting the details. You will receive an email within a few minutes with the links to download all your datasets. So you can just go ahead, you download all the datasets, and then in the meantime, while the datasets get downloaded, you can go and launch Model Builder in InfraWorks 360. As you know, InfraWorks 360 and Model Builder is our own enabling technology that allows you to download up to 200 square kilometers of any site worldwide. What you can do, you can just select the area you would like to download, and in the next 10-15 minutes, you will be able to download an InfraWorks 360 3D model from that site. And if you're looking for what type of data you'd actually downloading from Model Builder, is you get, as a terrain data, you get the shuttle radar topography mission, and as a raster map, you get Bing maps, and then you get OpenStreetMap for anything that is buildings, roads, and for example, in water areas. And as you know, OpenStreetMap is particularly good in some of the areas. For example, cities inside the cities, but cannot be as reliable outside the areas. So in the next minute or so, I will show you how to integrate the InfraWorks 360 model builder, InfraWorks 360 model with Ordnance Survey open data, which is a bit more reliable for some of the other areas in this particular area for the Shrewsbury area. So what I'm going to do now is once I downloaded my InfraWorks 360 model, I'm just going to extract all the data sets that I downloaded. You will see there are a lot of shape files, and then for the terrain 50, I have some ASCII files. All I have to do is go into the data sources of my InfraWorks 360 model and start deleting the data sets that I would like to replace. So it's very important. I want to keep the aerial photographs because Model Builder allows you to download Bing maps, and so we want to retain that. But all the other data sets, we want to replace them with the Ordnance Survey open data. So in this case, I'm just turning off the imagery just to make it simple. And all I have to do is just go into my terrain 50, select SJ41, and you later also 51, where I'm just replacing and draping and drop the terrain clip to the model builder and just simply replacing the terrain with the terrain 50. Okay, it takes a couple of minutes and you will see you have a much more detailed terrain for the area. What I'm going about to do next is replace the buildings. It's just a matter of draping and drop the shape files. And in this case, I have to assign and say that the shape file contains and those polylines are buildings. I decided to assign a roof height of 10, a slope of 15, and then I can assign a rule style for my facades. In a matter of a few minutes, I have my entire town, where all my buildings are now created. Next, I'm just going to drop all the other datasets that are available. For example, I'm draping the roads. In this case, I have to assign the roads type and also a rule style for the type of roads. It's very important that you decide to drape all the shape files and into the terrain so they follow the 3D digital terrain. I'm also importing the railways, and I will also import the water areas. So in a matter of a few minutes, I downloaded a 3D model using Model Builder, and I also decided to integrate some of the areas with Ordnance Survey open data. And what is very important to know is that you can achieve this in a matter of 20 minutes, half an hour. And as you know, Model Builder is completely free of charge within the InfraWorks 360 product. And also the Ordnance Survey open data is free of charge, which is absolutely great. All the information that is embedded into the shape files are visible and it's possible to visualize them, like in this case where I can just hover the roads and see the name of the roads. I hope you enjoy this quick video and will just help you to create InfraWorks 360 models using Ordnance Survey Open Data. Bye.